Don't skip this video kung naghahanap ka ng pinakamurang house and lot dito sa Metro Manila na fully finished, no spot down payment, nag-o-offer ng convenient location malapit sa commercial establishments at walking distance lang sa Caloocan Sports Complex at sa tinatayong bagong SM Supermalls. At nasa 24/7 gated community na hindi crowded. If yes, continue watching this video dahil for today's video, andito ako sa Bagumbong, North Caloocan, dito sa Evergreen Executive Village to picture this Cusur model unit na 2-story house and lot duplex. By the way, I'm Bibian. I'm your friendly real estate salesperson from Modern Home Philippines under GRNT Realty. So, simulan na natin ang house tour. Duplex, ibig sabihin, 2 units lang kayong magkatabi. Meron itong total lot area na 56 square meter at floor area na 57.25 square meter. Meron itong 3 bedroom, 2 toilet